at Mark Drew Speaks. Hey, watch this, guys. It's that Biggie Who Shot You instrumental. We're getting in it now. Let's freestyle. Let's have fun with it. You know, expression of self. Like, why is he rapping these days? Because I like to rap. I like poetry. I like putting words together in the cadence, and it's beautiful, man. It's like the African griot telling the story, village to village. You know, it's fun. It invigorates me. It's awesome. You know. Play with words, words come together, fabric sewn just like leather. Ooh, when you find it, the perfect treasure. Try to get a rhyme just to make it better. The sentence, the right, the scripture, the perfect lyric feels like an elixir. So nice anytime that you can recite. Take your chances, freestyling like rolling the dice, cause sometimes you mess up. Oop, like I spilt my ketchup on my white shirt. It's a nice shirt, it's okay, everybody have a nice day. This is Mike Play. Every time I get on stage, I'ma do it my way. Moving fast like moving on the highway. What's today? I don't know. Today is a Friday. So think of things in the room you can see like the lights there. Anytime I step on stage, they're afraid like a nightmare. There's a bike there too, cause I'm in the garage. What's going on? Is it true? No, it's a facade. Yep, that's a green screen, but I could change it to anything. Flipping on the microphone. I can even sing whatever comes to mind. It's your way to rhyme. It's your way to climb. Not to the top, but climb out of the box into something that you can see, something you can spot. Like your dream, have a vision. Rhyme style, better than most styles. Never had a collision, that's a lie. Cause I've had many obstacles, but hurdled them. And I don't know what's going on. Maybe this verse is done. And that's it. And it's having fun with it and just letting it out. And you look around your room, you look around your life, and you tell your story, because your story is important. So freestyle today. Pick up a pen, a pencil, and you can freestyle with your paintbrush. You know, you can freestyle with a skateboard. You can freestyle with a piece of wood and a saw, you know. Make it happen today. Love someone today. Peace.